Strategies and frameworks for content creation on YouTube. There are 3 different strategies, frameworks, or approaches for creating content on YouTube. Regardless of the niche you choose, there are 3 different ways to create content on YouTube. Number 1. YouTube Search Automation. Number 2. Traditional YouTube Automation. Number 3. YouTube Shorts Automation. YouTube Search Automation. In this approach, you create content on YouTube that addresses highly searchable topics, which people are already using YouTube to search and seek solutions for. These topics are not based on viral trends or temporary fads. In YouTube Search Automation, you create content which solely focuses on addressing common issues or problems that viewers are actively searching for solutions to on YouTube. For example, all how-to videos fall in this category, like these videos about how to tie a tie. Another example of searchable videos is how to turn on incognito mode on Google Chrome, how to use a DSLR camera, how to fix my MacBook Air charger, or how to pronounce letters in English. These are all YouTube search automation videos. All these videos are addressing common issues or problems that viewers are actively searching for solutions to on YouTube. Just look at the views of the videos. Some of them have millions of views on them. By creating content that addresses highly searchable topics and common problems, your videos are more likely to appear in search results, leading to higher visibility and exposure to a wider audience. Since your topics are not based on temporary trends, your content remains relevant over time, potentially generating consistent views and engagement in the long run. This is why they accumulate millions of views over time. In this approach, we focus on enhancing the visibility and ranking of videos within YouTube search results. It involves emphasis on keyword research, search engine optimization, SEO techniques, and content optimization strategies aimed at targeting specific keywords. To summarize, in YouTube search automation, the emphasis is on creating content that solely focuses on addressing common issues or problems that viewers are actively seeking solutions for on YouTube. The main objective of YouTube search automation is to increase the discoverability of videos within search results by aligning them with popular search queries. Traditional YouTube automation. Content created with the intent of traditional YouTube automation is designed to appeal to a much broader audience and engage a wide range of viewers through topics, formats, and styles that resonate with a diverse audience. Traditional YouTube automation often focuses on universally relatable themes, trending topics, or content that transcends specific demographics or interests. Let's take a look at a few YouTube channels that create content that can be classified as traditional YouTube automation channels. The first one is 5 Minutes Crafts, which has over 80 million subscribers. It has an extensive collection of DIY and life hack videos. The next YouTube channel that we're going to look at is Brightside, which has over 44 million subscribers and millions of views on its videos. The channel aims to provide valuable information and entertainment in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand format, appealing to a broad audience. These are all examples of traditional YouTube automation channels. The next channel is called Factsopedia. It's all about countdowns, interesting facts, and information of all sorts. And finally, let us quickly take a look at Movie Recaps, which is a YouTube channel dedicated to summarizing and reviewing movies. It provides condensed versions of movie plots, giving viewers a quick and comprehensive overview of the storylines, key events, and characters. As you can see in the videos shown, traditional YouTube automation employs engaging storytelling, visually appealing graphics, use of artificial intelligence software for different tasks such as generation of script writing, voiceovers, images, and videos to maintain viewer interest and encourage broader engagement across various demographics. The utilization of freelancers and AI software also makes YouTube automation highly scalable. The objective of traditional YouTube automation is to streamline channel management processes, automate repetitive tasks, audience engagement automation, and enhance overall channel performance. On the other hand, content made for YouTube search automation is solely focused on addressing common issues or problems that viewers are actively searching for solutions to on YouTube. Content created with the intent of traditional YouTube automation normally appears on your YouTube homepage, based on your watch history, search history, subscriptions, and engagement with similar content. YouTube Shorts Automation. YouTube Shorts automation refers to the process of using automation tools and techniques to create and publish Shorts videos on the YouTube platform. YouTube Shorts are short-form vertical videos that are up to 60 seconds in length and are designed to be easily discoverable and engaging for viewers. YouTube Shorts automation involves leveraging various tools and software to streamline the process of creating and publishing Shorts content. YouTube Shorts automation may involve the use of AI-powered tools for tasks such as generating subtitles, adding music or sound effects, or even suggesting content ideas based on trending topics or user preferences. The primary focus on using YouTube automation to create shorts that are less than 1 minute long and get millions of views. These shorts are highly popular in several niches, including gaming, lifestyle, fashion tips, comedy, education, music, fitness, beauty and makeup, food, travel, and technology. YouTube Shorts are designed to deliver quick, engaging content that captures viewers' attention in a short amount of time. Because they are less than 60 seconds long, they often attract millions of views. How do the three frameworks work? Let's see a practical example to better understand the concept. Consider the mobile repair niche, specifically how to recover data from a mobile with a broken display screen. If you enter this query in the YouTube search bar, you will note that you can create content in all of the above three mentioned frameworks using the niche of how to recover data from a mobile with a broken display screen. As you can see, people are already searching for this topic on YouTube, so you can use YouTube search automation to target this audience. Alternatively, you can establish a traditional YouTube automation channel focusing on the same niche. Or you can opt for the third framework and create YouTube Shorts centered on this topic. So using exactly the same niche, we can make the content that will either fall under YouTube search automation or traditional YouTube automation or YouTube Shorts automation. This is an important point that you need to understand. You have to decide whether you're going to make content using the first framework, the second framework, or the third framework. Therefore, you have to decide whether you're going to make content that is already being searched by individuals on YouTube, which is known as YouTube search automation. Alternatively, we can make a traditional YouTube automation channel, or thirdly, we can simply create YouTube automation shorts. This masterclass focuses on traditional YouTube automation, a framework that is more challenging, comprehensive, and demanding than YouTube search automation or YouTube Shorts automation. Upon completing this course, you will be well equipped to create content for all the three frameworks. Traditional YouTube automation requires more time and effort as compared to the other two frameworks, which are relatively easier.